Is it my car? Oh! I'm nervous, man. I don't even know the colour. It's my car, innit? Is it my car? Is it my car? Oh! I'm emotional. It's been so long. How long have you had it? 3 months.
I've never had a car that long before. I've had to MOT it because it ran out.
Is Jay here? I can hang over somewhere, innit? Right, let me get my mask. I'll be a sec. Hold on. I'm nervous, man. I don't even know the colour. Oh my God. Say yes if it's good and no if it's bad. Ready? Here it comes. Oh my God. Yeah! Woo! Oh my God. It's like matte gold. Sparkly, isn't it? Look at the wheels. Woo! Oh my God. Oh, they got a body kit on it. Woo woo, look. Oh, if I was single. Oh. Oh. Look what they've done, yeah? Bosh. Nice new wheels. Mate, thank you. Let me give you a... Oh, we're not allowed to, social distancing.
Wow.
Wow, oh look at that.
When I tried to go to the
Jay, you ain't stupid, are you?
Office,
You ain't stupid.
And I didn't like it in there.
How do we get this off? No, I'll leave it on, Jay. What do you think of the car, girls?
Very nice.
Lovely, eh? I'm not having a midlife crisis at all. So if you were a single lady and you saw a man in this, what would you think?
Possibly say.
I don't know if that's good or bad, but it's not too much, is it? It's not too much.
No.
See, I'm a bit shy. I don't like to get noticed, so.
Yeah, you're known for being shy, aren't you?
I am. This is naughty. I missed her.
They're in there.
Are they?
Come back to you,
Let's have a look. Come and have a look at my wheels. Why'd you bring them back?
I don't want them.
Oh, look, yeah.
Wow.
Look.
At the bottom.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's how you drive. Maxton Design, you are a rascal. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Look at that. Oh, I'm having a midlife crisis, but I love it. Yeah, like from here it looks kind of black, but then when you come up close, it's like gold.
Slide down it.
Look, listen, do you want...
Just slide down it.
No, we don't...
So much fun.
No climbing on the cars, okay?
But it's so much fun to slide down it.
It's very expensive, no sliding. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I want to say a massive thank you to Autoshine Tinting. They've done a wicked job. I had to trust them with it and they come through. It's sexy. I just took it for a spin. I saw some birds checking me out. The missus is going to be thinking I'm going to be getting some sweet ups. No, listen, I love it. Thank you. Thank you for sorting the wheels. Big shout out to Maxton Design for doing the body kit as well. It looks really naughty. I've never had a motor like this. And the neighbours, they're happy that it's back because I'll fire it up early in the morning for them. It's lovely. And listen, big shout out to the Can and Run. I'm looking forward to breaking her in. Hopefully, when's the next one? The Ibiza? Hopefully, yes, mate. If we're allowed to go, Ibiza's going off, mate. And if I'm there, you know it's going to be a party. Yeah, big shout out to the Can and Run for linking everything up. And a special thank you to Jay. I'm sorry, it's been mad in the group, innit? I've been doing this absolute heading. You don't know what it's like to work with me. I'm like, where's my car? Because I've been borrowing my missus' car this whole time. So thank you very much, Jay. Sorry for hounding you. And yeah, I've got a new whip, Can and Run. Give them a follow and come on a drive. It's naughty.
So, we're here at Deranged today and we're going to be filming with Sky TV for Spotting Londons Supercars. So I brought a few of the Ferraris down and a few of the other cars here. Got all the trucks outside, and yeah, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Cannon Run, because Cannon Run have organised today, and part of my sponsorship package with them is organising things like this and marketing. And yeah, so just big thank you to Jay and the rest of the Cannon Run, and happy 30th birthday. Let's get going.
So, welcome to the Cannon Run vlog, and it's the takeover by me, Chiro from Petrolheadonism. We've got a special morning at Deranged with Jason, but it is Jay's 30th birthday, so that's why he's not here right now. So, happy birthday, Jay Cannon. Hope you're having a great day without us. We're going to film this vlog and make you proud.
How you doing?
Good, all right?
Good to
Hi,
see you.
Jace. This is Scoot, Josh, and he's got that 200,000 followers on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube.
Right, Jason, we are here, and I've walked in past a Ferrari Speciale. What else Ferraris do you have? Because also next to me, I do recognise one of the 48 Challenge Evos with a bit of a kit to it. So
You are right, yes. So outside I've got the 430 Scuderia here and the 355. Probably three of my favourite Ferraris, the Speciale, Scuderia and the 355. And also the bumpers are for my race car. So currently it's a 48 Challenge car, and I am upgrading it with Ferrari to the Evo. So Ferrari have got the car now, they're building the whole, you know, doing the whole conversion, but we've had the bumpers back to paint, because obviously we do paintwork and everything here, so I thought it's only right that we would paint it, make a nice job of it.
awesome.
It might not last long, but
Right, let's go check it out.
this is one of my favourites. I think this is one of the, you know, all-time classics, isn't it? When you think of Ferrari, when you're a kid, like this is the Ferrari.
Can't beat the sound of this.
Yeah, I mean they're just awesome. The sound, the drive. Like to be honest, this is the first Ferrari I ever had.
Wow.
And I always loved Ferraris. I'm Italian, like Chiro here. And yeah, so Ferraris are a dream, you know. I think they are. Everyone who dreams of supercars when you're a kid, you either think of, you know, but Ferrari's the one, isn't it? But when I actually bought this Ferrari and drove it for the first time, I realised how good Ferraris are. Because that, of a 1990s car, there's nothing else of its time that drives like that.
Completely agree.
It's just awesome to drive.
But with you being such a Ferrari guy, we need to bring you over to the dark side. You need to buy a Lambo.
No, it's not going to happen. No, it's definitely not going to happen. Do you know what? I love Lambos. Like, they are nice. They're, you know, they're not quite the class of a Ferrari, but you know, they're an awesome car. They you know, they do what they say they're going to do. But I always struggle. I've gone to go and test drive one and buy one, and I get in them, I just don't feel comfortable. I'm 6'6".
You are actually tall, yeah, you are
And,
actually tall for them, yeah.
yeah, the pedals are all close together, they're tight and stuff. You get in a Ferrari, whether it's that Ferrari, which look at the size of it, it's tiny,
Yeah.
and I get in it and I'm comfortable. Whatever Ferrari it is, I'm comfortable.
Technical question about the 355. Obviously, you've gone for a manual box on this. When you bought this one, were you driven by manual versus the, because it's the first car to have the F1 box?
Manual's the one to have with this car, 100%. 100%. You get that whole, you know, it's got the gated shift, and it's, the whole feel of it and everything is just like, it makes that car what it is. And you know, F1 get, like, you know, paddles, they've come on a long way, but so in the Speciale, for instance, that paddle shift is like seamless. It's awesome, and you can't beat it. It's for that car. But when you get a car like that, and you want the nostalgia and you want that feel of being in a classic, it's got to be manual.
Yeah. Probably
Definitely.
one of the prettiest Ferraris ever built.
I think so.
So, that's your era over there. Check out the Ferrari Speciale. Honestly, one of my favourites I grew up with. 608 horsepower beast V8. However, Jason, I've heard you've done something to it.
Yeah, so it's not quite standard, my one. So I've put a Cristo decat exhaust, full stainless exhaust system, and remapped it. So it's running about 640 brake horsepower now.
That is crazy.
And it's naturally aspirated V8, you can't beat it. I mean, it sounds epic.
Yeah. Well, I've been out in a Speciale in London and it was amazing. However, we're next to a 430 and I've never been out in one of these.
Well, funny you should say that, but this is a new one for me and it's been sitting in storage since I bought it and I haven't actually driven it yet.
Wow.
So we should definitely go out for a drive in it today.
Yeah?
While the weather's dry and...
Well, why not?
Yeah.
Right, so let's hop into it.
Yeah, let's go. I'll just stay here then.
So we've just got back and I honestly cannot stop smiling, as I've said before. But we are here at Deranged and I just want to know a bit more about it.
It all started from customising cars, really. So we'd take Mercedes or Range Rover, some Defenders, and we'd bring them in, we'd customise them and do one-off jobs for the customer. So a client would come to us with their vehicle and say, you know, I want a body kit, I want interior done, and that's how it started. So yeah, that's it really. So we just went from customising cars.
So have you stayed with like the whole Ford? Because outside you've got monster trucks of Ford Rangers.
Yeah. So like I said, when we started, we was doing Defenders, a few Range Rovers, and Jeeps, and I actually fancied a truck myself, and I started looking at the big American trucks, the Dodge Rams and F-150s. And at the time, I thought, oh, it's maybe a little bit too big. So what's the next best thing? So I looked at the Ford Rangers.
Yeah.
And the Ford Rangers were just a bit plain, really. It didn't really do it for me. So I thought, look into what we can do for it, and started playing around with some ideas, and then come up with the kit we do for it. And it's been the most popular vehicle for us since.
Yeah.
I mean, we're doing, you know, up to sort of 10 a week now.
Well, whilst we were out, we even saw one of them
at
the local service.
Exactly, so we went to the services.
Pretty good point there.
It's so nice for us actually, seeing them.
Oh, seeing them out and about and seeing customers have them. I mean, outside you've got at least 20. It's crazy. I mean, that blue one behind, that looks
so that's
amazing.
We've started now getting back into the American, because what I found, they are a bit big, but there is a market for them in the country.
Oh gosh, yeah.
So now we've got the brand behind us and known for doing trucks.
Yeah.
Why not bring some over from America, the big trucks, F-150s, the Dodge Rams, and derange those as well.
Yeah.
So that's the next bit now.